So we saw how a lot of substances, dyes, are indicators for pH. We saw universal indicator, we saw orange 4, and some others. I also want to show you how there are natural dyes in plants like cabbage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil some cabbage, and the dye is going to come out in the water, and then we're going to test some substances. Then I also thought, well, what about radishes? So we're going to look at some radishes. I'm going to take just the skin of the radish, as I've done here, and I'm going to boil it, and I'm going to take the dye that comes out, and we're going to test it in some different acids and bases in different solutions and see if those things affect the colors of these dyes. Are they acid-base indicators, just like universal indicator or litmus or phenolphthalein? Okay, so I took some of the cabbage juice that I extracted in the hot water, so you can see it's purple. And I've poured some into several little beakers. And then the radish juice, I had to strain the radish juice, and you can see I've put some into these beakers. So this would be the color of cabbage juice when it's neutral, and this would be the color of radish juice in neutral because it's just boiled water. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of different solutions. So the first one I'm going to add is I'm going to add 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid. So let's see what that does to the radish juice. You can see it's changing its color. Now let's put 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid in the cabbage juice. Very pretty colors. Okay, now I have a buffer that's pH 5. I'm going to put that into the radish juice. And then I'm going to put the buffer in the cabbage juice. See if it changes its color at all. All a buffer is a solution that maintains the pH. So the buffer is going to maintain a pH of 5. All right. Okay, this is going to be pH 9 in cabbage juice. I'm sorry, radish juice. So now we're getting close to the basic side. And pH 9 in cabbage juice. So you can see it's changing its color. And then I'm going to put a strong base, 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. Ooh, you can see. So you can see that even natural vegetables like cabbage or radish, the dye that comes out of their skin is going to have pH indicator properties.